afternoon to one and all. Myself, R. Rama Devi, BA third year, TPWRTC development. Today I am going to tell you about the topic of World War One. World War One was begins in 1914 to 1918. How many countries are involved in World War One? What are the reasons? How it started? And major causes of World War One. Now the definition of World War One. World War One was begins with Austria and Serbia. Austria, who holds the Austria king was Ferdinand. Ferdinand was married to Sofia. They went to honeymoon near to the Bosnia. Near a Bosnia Serb has killed to Ferdinand and Sofia. Serbia has sent to murder to kill Ferdinand and Sofia. So Sofia and Ferdinand was killed by the terrorists of Serbia. Then Austria was give a notice to Serbia. What was it? Why you are killed for our king? Why you killed our king? Ferdinand and Sofia. They give again. Bosnia is not under our country, but that person is Serbia's terrorist. World War I is also known as a Great War. It was also a European war. It was a global originating in Europe that lost its form in 28th July 1914 to November 11, 1918. Before going to detail of World War I, we will see its summary first, a brief summary. World War I has begun in 1914 after the assassination of Archduke Franz and Ferdinand and lasted until 1918. As we have mentioned, the World War was fought between two powers, Allied powers, Central powers. Allied powers includes that Russia, France, Britain, USA, Japan. Central powers includes that Austro-Hungarian Empire, Ottoman Empire, Germany. The USA, which the superior powers of today's war, was not the part of World War I in the second in 1917. Just 1 year before the end of the World War I in 1918. Now we will see causes due to which the World War I interrupted. The main and major causes of World War I, there are 4 types. First one, militarism. Second, alliance system. Third, imperialism. Fourth, nationalism. We will discuss one by one. Militarism. In 20th century, it began with the army race. Among the country states has been in a race to have more arms than each other. The machine guns have been invented at their time and were used firstly in World War I. Tank war was also used first time in World War I by Great Britain. New and big naval ships had been invented. In this way, the militarization of world taken place became one of the reasons of World War I. Here I am going to take the second one, alliance system. Alliance system is a major system. Second causes of World War I. Triple alliance in 1882. Germany, Austria-Hungary, Italy, Triple Entente, France, Britain, Russia. There was a certain of alliance between two of them are important to understand World War One. First one is the Triple Alliance of 1882. This was the alliance of Germany, Austria, Hungary and Italy. Second one is Triple entered in of 1907. In this was alliance of France, Britain and Russia. These three countries of each alliance were main actors of the World War One. Three causes of imperialism. It is a colonized India which was quite difficult task. Colonized in Asia, Africa, Britain and successful colonizers. 25% of the world was colonized by Britain. Now we will going to discuss about nationalism. What is nationalism? Is nothing but First Balkan War. In that Balkan War, there are Christian states. What Bulgaria, Greece, Montenegro. These are three states. These three states are come under Christian states, and this called as Balkan states. In 1912 టర్కీ అంటే ఈ టర్కీ వాళ్ళు పరిపాలించారనమాట. ఈ బాల్కాన్ దేశాన్ని టర్కీ వాళ్ళు పరిపాలించారు. In 1912 the Balkan states are very freedom states. They got freedom in 1912. Before that a Balkan war is అంటే బాల్కాన్ వార్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది అనమాట. 1912 ముందు బాల్కాన్ వార్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఇది మెయిన్ రీజన్. వాళ్ళకి 1913లో కొంచెం ఫ్రీడమ్ వచ్చింది. ఇంకా అక్కడి నుంచి సపరేట్ స్టేటస్గా డివైడ్ అయిపోయారు వాళ్ళు. In August 1st, Russia and Germany got a war. 1905, the France came under the Russia. After this, some states came with separate. In 1907, Germany has separated from the World War I. 1918, March 3rd, Russia was separated from this war. After this, in 1918, September 29, the Bulgaria state was separated. At the same time, October 30, Ottoman Empire. November 14, Austro-Hungary. These all states were separated from World War I. After this, చిన్నగా మెల్లమెల్లగా వరల్డ్ వార్ వన్ నుంచి కొన్ని స్టేట్స్ మొత్తం ఇక సపరేట్ అవుతా వస్తుంది అనమాట. ఇది 1 million troops saved. During this war of this was 62,000 people are died and another 67 people are injured, wounded. Britain, France, America are all allied powers. After that, at last, కొన్ని స్టేట్స్ సపరేట్ అవుతా వస్తున్నాయి. దాని తర్వాతకి ఇక 1920 Jan 20 ప్యారిస్ అంటే ఈ వరల్డ్ వార్ వన్ అయిపోయాక ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీటింగ్ ద వరల్డ్ వార్ వన్ ఇన్ ప్యారిస్ దే కెప్ట్ మీటింగ్ ఇన్ 1920 Jan 20th. Paris Conference leader of the Allied powers met to discuss the Allied powers and Central powers their colonies. In future, there should not be any further wars. There was organization was called as League of Nations. After, thank you for giving me golden opportunity, man.